Problem with C library linked to Python interpreter on Mac OS X. I'm trying to use a C library that is supposed to be available from Python. The library compiles fine on Mac OS X 10.6.0 i386 with GCC version i686 Apple Darwin 10 GCC 4.2.1 GCC 4.2.1 Apple Inc. build 5659. When I try to import the Python module from Python, I get the error. To respond to Ned's questions, this is the output I get. It seems that there's a common architecture, but I'm unsure about whether that's true for the library's references by OTL. Those seem to have multiple versions. Another thing I noticed is that when I make this package and compile it and then make the Python module, the build directory of the module, i.e. the directory at the same level as the setup.py file, has these Mac OS X 10.5 files. However, I am using Mac OS X 10.6. What controls which version is used to compile a Python package using distutils? I'm afraid this might be causing the problem. Any idea what could be causing this? Thanks.
It is hard to know exactly what the problem is without more information, but it appears you are using a 64-bit version of Python from EPD. Is the library that you built also built as a 64-bit library? You should be able to tell by doing something like this. There needs to be a common arch among all of them. Update: based on your additional information, the most suspicious looking item is the library reference to .1.dylib. That would seem to indicate you have a local copy of GCC or other compiler installed in /usr/local. Are you sure you aren't mixing compilers here? Try cleaning the build directory and explicitly setting export cc equals /usr/bin/gcc 4.0 before building your module. Or move that other compiler out of /usr/local. The 10.5 thing should not be an issue. That just indicates that the EPD Python distribution was built to run on 10.5 and later systems.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.